welcome to Tokyo Quick Eats. Today I'll be making a fluffy and tasty okonomiyaki with just 3 simple ingredients for the batter. First, I'm using a large nonstick pan and heating a tablespoon of oil over medium-low heat. And while the pan heats, in a large bowl I'm gonna mix an egg, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 cup of water. I'm getting the flour on the side of the bowl as well. Today I'm using this pre-shredded cabbage so I don't have to do any cutting. I'm putting in 3 ounces. And make sure the cabbage is dry so you don't add any extra moisture. I'm gonna mix it until it's combined with the batter. Now I'm pouring the batter into the pan and gently shaping it into a circle. I'm gonna cook on medium-low heat for about 5 minutes on each side. For toppings, I'm using Okonomi sauce, Kewpie mayo. You can also add a little mustard if you like it a little spicy. Katsuobushi or bonito flakes. And Aonori seaweed. That's it. Thanks for watching.